Hi, Sandra here. Welcome to my channel. Today's card is going to be a very quick one, so it's ideal for when you need a card in a hurry. But on the other hand, it's still very pretty. Right, I've chosen a grey base for this particular design. Unusual, I know, but there we go. And I'm going to take some blue and put it around the top edge. So from about halfway to the sides. There we go. So I'm going to be putting that on there. Okay, I've put some more glue on the back of my design because it wasn't sticking properly. So I've now got plenty of glue on there and it's stuck well. In fact, the glue that I used is this Bostik stuff. And I just put it face down onto a piece of clean white paper, dabbed it all over the back with the Bostik, and then picked it up and threw the paper away so I can't get it stuck on anything else. I've already put a couple of strips of double-sided tape on the back of here, so I'm just going to put some more on. I find that double-sided tape is my preferred method for sticking onto a relatively thin card base because it's not going to warp anything. There we are. And just a little bit in the middle for good luck. Okay, so now I've got my frame here so I can hold that down, slide this into the left, put it down like so, lift the frame out, and I've got my card mounted. Yay! And my finishing touches, I have a silver pen and I have a white Signo. I just want to make sure this one is still running. Yeah. And I'm just going to do a few little dots just to add some interest. Now, I've not done a sentiment for this because you can choose whatever sentiment you like, and what I would do is a white sentiment on a black background and I'd put it down in there. That's my personal preference, but since I don't know what occasion I'm going to be giving this card for, I'm not putting a sentiment on at the moment. Now, if you feel like it, of course, you could add some gems, but again, I'm not going to do that at the moment. I think that is enough. So there we go, about 5 minutes and you've got a really pretty card to give. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and you can always follow me on Instagram as well. Take care now, bye bye. The file for this is included below with a shaker card version as well.